Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a clever dog named Max. Max wasn't just any ordinary dog. He was known for his wit and intelligence. One day, the village was plagued by a group of mischievous monkeys.